Son's on the ramp, in for surgery today. Chief surgeon today is the Blade Runner.
I'm only checking the points. So easy. Pardon?
I don't know. Good wrist action.
Thank you.
How hard can it be?
Too bad.
Well, bit of tea cut, that'll be right.
Yeah.
Where's Captain Pete? Where's Captain Pete? Unbelievable, Jeff. Right.
Oh,
Clean, doesn't it?
yeah. Well, it's fully adjusting no matter what it was, but it's in that.
Can't see the point in that. Yeah. That looks okay though, doesn't it?
Yeah. What's that? What do you call that wrinkly pipe?
That could explain why it's not
You can bend it, can't you?
sheared off.
Oh, like the... You've got some? Or do you need a rubber one?
The rubber, yeah.
Oh. You've got a metal one that might do for this.
What?
Yeah, it's definitely sheared off.
You want it in that pipe with door exhaust pipe?
Another one that's we haven't found one bolt yet that's
No.
tight. They're not even like, well, it's just perfect. None of this metric bollocks.
I reckon this one's holding the crank in.
Oh yes. Perfect. Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Wiggle it!
So, Comrade Colin, are you seeing Natina tonight?
No, Nikita.
Nakita. There we go. On carburetor. Yeah, she's well, yeah.
Jesus Christ on the stick. Every screw opens without any problem.
I'll tell you what, the Suzuki carbs and that, you struggle,
Yeah.
even with this bit.
I think it's the thread, isn't it? These are
Possibly
the
so.
thread. Quality of the stuff.
Oh, this is a different story. Oh, it's coming. Now then.
Oh yeah.
No, wait, look at this lot.
We found out why maybe it didn't work. Make it look like it's hard.
God almighty, eh?
Oh, that looks a bit... Actually, the piston looks shiny on this one, but the actual, what you call it, looks shit. He's not a member of Mensa, is he? Are we having this tank off or what?
Yeah. The Soviet night.
Would you like me to put it on the bench?
Yes, would you put it on the bench for me? Thank you.
No hands that do dishes can feel soft as your skin. Is that going in the engine?
No.
Oh.
That was a washing, that's alright. Oh, we're lucky.
That don't look too bad, is it? Yeah.
That's what they say,
That's
explodes,
in
isn't
one
it? That
click,
goes
yeah.
inside the engine.
Yeah, but is it? I don't feel to be any bumps are out. Can you stop me fingers?
Can't hold it there.
You're not stupid like me then. Putting new glasses on to do welding.
No.
And the other comes away.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh, that's not a bad fix.
So that's coming out.
Just the screws come out.
Yeah.
That saved 700 quid, Mel.
Where's Captain Pete? Where's Captain Pete?